Here's the sad thing. Even if you set up a will and you have very clear ideas regarding your beneficiaries, what you've planned may not actually happen. Like most couples with a will, you've bequeathed each other your entire estate, and then it passes on to your children. The kids grow up, marry, and later go on to have children themselves. Then in later years after you both die, your children will inherit all your assets. Bearing in mind that nearly half of marriages in Britain end in divorce, what will happen to their inheritance if they do separate? Your child's partner will be entitled to at least half the money you left them. That's not exactly what you had in mind. Your money will go to someone else, not your children, not your grandchildren. Your first thoughts might be, well, that's life, there's nothing I can do about that. Unfortunately, what will be will be. But this is not true. You have more power over your money. You can control what happens to it, even after you've gone. Setting up a simple trust alongside your will ensures your money goes where you want it to go, and more importantly, it stays there, with your children and your grandchildren.